Hi, welcome to the ChainZilla tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new account using the Chameleon Pay wallet. The first step is to click Get Started. Now we're going to learn a little bit about the wallet and what you can do with it. Now we have to set up our wallet password. This needs to be a secure password, and it's needed when you make transactions, and it also encrypts your wallet. Now we're moving on to backing up our 12-word seed. You must back up your seed before sending funds to the wallet. This step is very important. Remember to read and also accept our terms of service. Once your backup is ready, we can go into the wallet and we can click Add Coin, and you can select the coin that you want to get started with. Once you've activated the coin that you want to use, click the plus button on the bottom of the app. Now select Receive. Once you have your address, you can now start making transactions. Once you have funds in your wallet, you can go back to the Send tab, and you'll be able to send funds by either entering a wallet address or scanning a QR code. Thank you for watching, and remember to visit us at chainzilla.io for more tutorials and information.